Making yourself at home, Giz.
Do you believe in the boogeyman?
You're falling asleep.
And you won't mind cold cocking the sky when
What?
I grab the guy in my dream. You see me smoke, you wake me up. We both come out, you whack.
Are you gonna come out?
Are you crazy? Hit him with what?
You're just gonna stay in there, aren't you?
Meet me in my place.
You're gonna come out.
Meanwhile.
I'll turn up the bass. Come on, Gizmo. Don't be lazy. Oh, there you are. You gonna come out? Oh, you are rude. Stop being evil. Get out. I'll turn up the music. That's not gonna do much for the freaking bass on it. Gizmo, stop falling asleep. Get out. You're gonna get out. I don't know where you are. Don't turn your back on me. Well, come here. Take your tail. I get your tail. Oh, what did I do? Did I poke your tail? There. You went even further back in there, didn't you?
Do you believe that people can dream about what's going to happen?
Are you gonna come out? Come on. Are you coming? Gizmo! Are you coming out?